So we are really close to the end of the grammar part. So now I would like to share with you some learning principles that could really help you a lot in your progress in English, in your studying process. So a few advices from me. So the first advice is just like if you would like to watch some cartoons or maybe some movies in English, uh, the great idea is to find some adapted movies or adapted cartoons or adapted audiobooks if you would like to listen to them. And here you should pay attention to the complexity of it. It shouldn't be very hard for you. It should be okay for you. It should be just somehow difficult for you, but not very difficult. While you would like to watch some videos, you need to add some English subtitles. That is really great idea. If you want to add subtitles, never add Russian or Ukrainian subtitles. Add English subtitles. It will help you to improve your vocabulary, you will improve your listening skills, you will improve your intuitive understanding of some grammar structures, of some sentences. So that would be really a great idea. Also, I strongly recommend you to use the application I use in this course that is called Anki. For Android operation system, it is called Anki Droid. You can download it on Google Market for free. That is free application. So I have already created, as you could mention, many vocabularies for you. So you are welcome to use them. So also you need to take care about such things as remembering the words. Of course, that is very important. And I have a few advices for you how to do that. First of all, of course, it's using this application. It can help you not to forget, first of all, your words you have learned. But if you want to remember some things, you can try to implement, to use one or another word while you are using it. For example, while you are learning it. For example, once you would like to remember such word as complexity, сложность. You can try to remember it by building some sentence. So you need to use it, to implement it. You can create an example in your head. For example, you can say, the complexity is high, сложность высокая. Okay, you can say the complexity is high. The complexity of these tasks is high. So, and that would be the example you could use you could create in your head. So, or for example, you would like to remember such word as experience. And you can create some conditional type, for example, because you have learned it. You can say, if I had much experience 2 years ago, I would have found a job 1 year ago, for example. So you can use these words in some sentences, which would be related to you exactly, to your own experience, okay? So that is the thing, that is the key feature for remembering. It's like implementation, the usage of some information that you get. Also, for remembering some objects, for remembering some things which you could just imagine, which you could touch, you can do such things that you just close your eyes, imagine your usual place where you work, for example your room, where you live, and you can imagine this object in your room. For example, if you have learned some rubbish bin, мусорное ведро, you can imagine, you can close your eyes, imagine you don't have it. You don't have it in your room, but imagine that you have a rubbish bin that is on your table. Imagine just on your table, just close your eyes, imagine it, and just call it like rubbish bin. That is a rubbish bin. And in your imagination, there should be a rubbish bin. And you will have this association. That technique is called memory palace, and it works pretty well. So these are few of advices which I can give you in here. Also, for other advices, you can go to the presentation and have a look at them. They are really great. They can help you to be more productive, to learn more efficiently, and be good at English. So thank you for for your attention. See you in the next video.